You've got a product to launch and just hours to make it happen. With the Magnific AI Suite, you can create an end-to-end marketing campaign across multiple formats and platforms in record time. Let's build a full visual campaign. Go to the AI image generator. Write a prompt that describes the model you want for your campaign. Select Seedream or any other model, and choose the editorial glow style for a polished, branded look. Pick your favorite result and download it. Switch to the model that best fit your creative needs. We have chosen Runway. Upload your model's image and a photo of your product. Now write a new prompt that brings both images together in one scene. Choose your favorite version. Click Edit Image. Then hit Retouch and use the brush to remove anything you want, such as the model's braids or even the wire on the headphones. Click Done. Click Resize to adapt the image to multiple formats. Choose your preferred ratio. Hit Upscale to boost the quality of the visual. Now compare the results. Click on Create Video. Then, add a short, realistic prompt and define the length. Select the aspect ratio and generate your animated clip. Hit Add to Video Project and then assemble your clips. Start by choosing the project's aspect ratio, square, vertical, or horizontal, depending on where you'll publish. Pick the music. It sets the emotional rhythm of your video. Add and organize your generated clips. Try trimming, sequencing, and adjusting as needed. If the soundtrack is longer than the visuals, trim it to end with intention. There's no need for unnecessary fades or silence. Adding text, visuals, and your logo makes your videos more engaging. You can apply effects too. Finally, export project in high quality. Now it's ready to be published. Your visuals are aligned, your formats are ready, your message is consistent. Now it's time to launch, all created by you. With the Magnific AI Suite, you're the whole creative team.